How to use TikTok offline. To use TikTok or to watch offline, now you can watch TikTok offline by downloading a random batch of video through the app's offline video feature or by individually saving video to your device. Now, this method downloads 50 to 200 videos selected by TikTok for you to watch later without an internet connection. All you need is open up your TikTok app on your device. This has to be done while you're connected to an internet service. Then tap on the profile and go to the menu bar from the top right. Click on settings and privacy. And next, you want to scroll down to the cellular cache and just go to free of space, or you just go to offline videos you actually want to, and then you have to go ahead and make sure to select what our download videos to watch. So select the batch and you could go ahead and enable it, and now you could just go and explore TikTok, and when you do this it's going to be automatically downloaded, and only this feature is actually acceptable. So there is no way or other way you could go ahead and use TikTok videos offline. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.